In 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐠𝐬 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐝 story, the Buddha talked and taught the 6 ways to benefit things in life. They are having a desire to have a good health. Arogya paramalabha santuthi paramam dhanam. The Buddha said in Pali, health is wealth. Happiness is the noblest wealth. We need to have a good health, to have a healthy mind and healthy brain and healthy body to be happy. Number 2, having a greatest gain, righteous ways of earning without lying to someone, without corrupting someone, without betraying someone, without stealing, without being disloyal. We need to earn wealth, properties, money, whatever we want to have in life. Number 3, learning new things consistently. Buddha is the one and only philosopher in ancient Jambudvipa, modern day India, who focused, advised, talked and told his students, motivated his disciples to focus on learning new things every day, every time, every moment. He's the only person who advised his students the importance of education. He says that if you have a vast knowledge, if you have a vast information, if you know a lot of things, if you have a vast wisdom, if you're a wise person, there's nobody can lie you, nobody can corrupt you, nobody can betray you, nobody can hurt you. Spirituality. I think being spiritual is one of the most important things we can do and have in life. I'm a Buddhist, so I go to the Buddhist temple, I talk to the monks, I read Buddhist books, I read Buddhist stories, I read Buddhist philosophies, I do meditation for 20 to 30 minutes every day, and I do chanting, I do listen to the Dharma, so I'm very spiritual. It doesn't mean that I have to wear like a monks and all to be spiritual, but I'm a spiritual person. I practice Buddhism. So if you are Hindu, go to the Hindu temple, practice Hinduism and practice it deeply, learn it deeply, know it deeply and understand it. And if you are Christian, practice Christianity. If you are Muslim, practice Islam. If you are Sikh, practice that. So be spiritual. Reason why? Because I believe that, personally I believe that being spiritual teaches us 2 things. 1, good and bad, wholesome and unwholesome, sin and merits. If we forget the Dharma, if we are not spiritual, we forget these 2 things, and what happened is we started getting problems. Reason why? Because we don't know what is good, what is bad. We don't know what is wholesome and what is unwholesome. We don't know what is sin and what is merits, and we do everything comes to us, comes in front of us. We do it everything. That's the reason why Buddha says that be spiritual, and I believe that, I practice that, and I think everybody has to be spiritual. Doesn't matter what religion you practice. Striving, struggling to make things happen. He's talking about never ever giving up, my friends. So these are the 6 things Buddha talked and said in 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐧𝐠𝐬 story to learn, to practice, to benefit in many ways in life, guys.